name is Sofia and I am from the Teen Advisory Group, and today I'm going to show you how to make tacos. So, to make tacos, you are going to need these ingredients. You're going to need marinated chicken, tortillas, cilantro, 2 different types of onion, and bell peppers. Hi, and now you are going to put the marinated chicken on the grill and the white onion and the bell peppers. Now, keep it on the grill until it is all cooked. Now you're going to cut the cilantro and the onion. So with the cilantro, you're going to cut it here. And this can be put to the side for the trash. And then we are just going to chop this up. So you're going to chop this and dice it very well. Now that you're done with the cilantro, you're going to chop and dice your onion. Now that the chicken has thoroughly been cooked and grilled, you can take them off the grill. Now that the chicken and the vegetables have been done cooking, now we are going to cut them into small pieces. So, to start off with the chicken, we're going to cut them into small pieces. Now that we have done cutting the chicken, now we're going to heat up our tortillas. Okay. So now that we have everything all together, we are going to assemble the taco. So grab your tortilla of choice. Then you're going to put it on your plate. And then you are going to get a little bit of chicken. Put it on your taco, like so. And then after that, you are going to either add, or both, the bell pepper and the onion, and the cilantro and purple onion. And then you can take it a step farther and add any other addition you want, whether that's salsa, lime, and yeah, that's how you make a taco.